Hey skincare junkies, listen up. Welcome to your Wellness Glow Guide. Let's make your skin glow naturally with an easy routine, step by step. Step 1. Know your skin type. Are you oily, dry, combo, or sensitive? Identify it first. This is like picking the right dress for prom, super important. Step 2. Cleanse with a gentle, natural face wash. Think of it like washing away the dramas of your day. Step 3. Exfoliate, but not every day. Twice a week is perfect to avoid over-scrubbing. It's like dessert, best in moderation. Step 4. Use toners made with witch hazel or rose water. They tighten pores and keep your skin looking snatched. Step 5. Moisturize with natural ingredients like aloe vera or jojoba oil. It's like giving your skin a big hydrating hug. Step 6. Don't forget the sunscreen. Even if it's cloudy, those sneaky UV rays are still there, like paparazzi. Step 7. Customize based on your skin's needs. Listen to it and pamper yourself. You deserve to shine. All right, beauties, now go rock that natural glow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and catch you in the next one.